Steal the show with these layered cheesecake pots. Pop all the ingredients in and let your slow cooker do all the work for you.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start with, into a food processor, add in your ginger cookies. You can of course make your own, but this whole dessert is about convenience when you're having dinner parties with friends. Process the cookies until they resemble fine breadcrumbs. Then add in the melted butter. Process again, which will bring the mixture together like a wet sand consistency. Place in the bottom of glass pots and press down firmly and leave aside. Into the mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding in softened cream cheese along with sour cream, which I find really stops the cheesecakes from getting overly sweet. Add in caster or superfine sugar along with vanilla bean paste or extract. Add in the yolk of an egg and the zest of 1 lemon into the mix as well. Mix on high for several minutes until smooth and combined. Place the filling into the glass pots on top of the cookie base and then wrap tightly in foil. Place the wrapped pots into the slow cooker, pour in a small amount of water in the base, cover and then place on high for 1.5 hours. While the cheesecakes are cooking, we're going to make the topping. In my case, I'm roasting rhubarb. I know many people don't like rhubarb these days, but you should really give it a go. It's a wonderful flavour that goes so well with cheesecakes. Drizzle the sliced rhubarb with fresh orange juice, scatter over some caster or superfine sugar, and then place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Leave to cool and it will get thick and jammy. By the time the cheesecakes are ready, just take off the foil and spoon over that sticky rhubarb on top and place over some steamed orange rind along with that rhubarb cooking juice. And there you have the most amazing dessert that packs so much flavour and is a real winner for those dinner parties you want your friends to leave on a really yummy note.